Hi. Welcome to on my channel. Today I will show you who can see your post into your Facebook ID. For this, go to your browser and type www.facebook.com into the search bar. Now enter your email address or your phone number to log in to your Facebook account. Then type your password. And then click into Login. Now click into your account icon in the top right corner. Then select Setting and Privacy. And then select Setting. Now in the next step, go to the Privacy option from the setting bar. Now go to the option of Your Activity and click into the Edit option in the right side. Here you can choose who can see your post. You can choose as public, that is a default setting. Or you can change as your friends only. You can also screen your friend from the other option, Friends Accept. Here select Friends to hide your post, just click into the circle into the right side. And then click into Save Change. Now go to the home page. Create a new post in the Post option. As I am posting, "Hello, good evening everyone." And post into your feeds. So this post is visible only into your friends.